By the little VEVOR, the earthquake, or the big VEVOR. So I'm going to show you the difference so that way you know what to choose. So let's compare. This is the trash can. So as you can see, it broke the tip that was here, so basically it's unusable. The only good thing is that you have the hose that is built in this. You don't have to buy anything like the earthquake. The earthquake, as you can see here, you have to buy this. I made another video about this, so you have to buy one from here to the compressor. You have to buy the adapter, and this to me doesn't make any sense, at least for my application. I'm going to put some air in the cars, maybe cut in with a plasma cutter, maybe blow some air here to clean up, and that's it. So I don't need 3/8. So it's very heavy. I wish it could be all aluminum, so that way it will be lighter. Even if you have to pay more, I think it will be much better. The same thing with Milwaukee, the Monkey Wrench. I prefer to buy the aluminum instead of the regular metal, and even if I have to pay more. But this, also it doesn't have with the. You have no adapters from here to the compressor, no adapters from here to the tip that you want to use, no arm, no nothing. So I made another video about this. This is the VEVOR. So as you can see here, for now it works. It's heavy. The good thing, it comes with this hose already, so I was able to plug it in my air hose directly. The only thing I have to buy is this adapter. That's it. And other than that, I was able to just screw it in here, and that's it. Here, the same thing, no adapter, no nothing. Just the only thing I screwed this end, and that's it. So that way I can hook up my tools, and that's it. I mean, it works. So as you can see, you have to buy the arm, otherwise you're not going to be able to swivel the reel, the hose the hose reel. So that is the main thing. It comes with a lot of oil. It's very annoying. Other than that, it has the same issue as the earthquake. So I was able to hook it just on this end. The holes, it doesn't match almost with any hole in at least with this universal bracket that I installed. So all of them, they have the same problem, and here even with the little one, you see it comes with this bracket. I thought, okay, maybe I can just remove this from here and put it on the wall and then put it back this, no, not even that. So this all sucks. The little one, not recommended that at all. If they are going to make trash, don't use your brand. If you don't want to trash your brand, this seems fine, but it lacks of adapter. So it was like 160. So between the hoses, adapters, and everything, you're going to spend maybe another $60 easily. With this one, I don't remember how much it was. I think it was 100, 150, something like that. And at least you have everything. The only thing is just the little adapter there, the other one, and that's it. And you're ready to go. So with this, even if it's 3/8, as you can see, to me it doesn't make any sense, at least for me, because I'm going to use it for plasma cutter. Just blow some air, put some air in the tires, and that's it. And also, if you have to use the adapters, it doesn't make any sense, because you're going to have a restriction on the flow of air. Because if you go from 3/8, this is 3/8, and then to 1/4 for the regular air tools, something like this, it doesn't make any sense. So you're going to have a lot of flow just inside of that hose, and for everything else it doesn't make any sense, at least for my application. Maybe for you have everything 3/8, and that will not be a problem, but for a regular usage, that is the problem that I see. For now, it seems both work great except this trash. And I'll test it for a few years and see how it goes. So for now, I have it under this roof, so hopefully it will not get damaged, with the weather or anything like that. This, I have the same thing under a small roof. See how it goes. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know, section below. And if you want to keep learning, go to my playlist. I have all my videos organized by topics. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.